when him call the girl the B word and him get a box, me not have to say no more.
That easy, O'Neal.
From
I think say I want
from
King and Shay.
Hey,
Oh!
let me demonstrate.
Yo,
demonstrate.
guys,
Let me demonstrate.
the video the epic, guys. Wanna go over there and watch the
need
video.
to demonstrate.
Wanna go over there and watch the video. Go over King and Shay and watch
Alright
the
guys,
video.
me gonna demonstrate. Oh, she shot him the
Guys,
box.
it's
Come
epic.
on.
Demonstrate pan oh. Hey, you feel poop.
Guys, comment down below.
They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Think of chattings. Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the right yourself.
Oh, there you don't know a kingdom.
Yeah, guys, so we'll be doing a challenge or a game furthermore, which is guess the YouTuber. So how this work is this: we'll say a line from a popular skit or what they're known for, and then either of us have to guess the YouTuber, and the person who get it right, you know your YouTubers, right? And we'll do it Jamaican YouTuber edition, right? So we'll just do rock, paper, scissors to see who will go first. Ready?
But before that, guys, we want to run over to King Instagram, King_original, and follow, guys.
Yes, guys.
Have the banger picture them come and the little banger video them. So you know the strips going on, guys. So just stay tuned and watch what go on. That one you got epic, that one you monumental, that one you need for document. If you drink, I get a special. If a movie, get popcorn style, caramel.
Yeah,
you know the strips. Bang, bang, boom!
And guys, remember to follow our chef channel and our chef Instagram. We'll post the pictures over there. And we'll be doing a Q&A soon to ensure that you're following both of our Instagrams to give us some questions. So without further ado, let's get into the rock, paper, scissors, right? Let's go. And guys, the winner is they can go first or choose who they want to go first. And him always a thief. So make us see this.
You see that?
Come now.
Thief from thief, God laugh.
And him ever a thief. Let's go. Ready?
Whatever you want to say.
Come now. And then after shoot, we are going to go. Ready? Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Him love put up rock, so this time we put up a rock for catch him. Ready again? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, paper! Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Catch me, boom down the rock, the scissors.
Alright, guys. So it's epic already? Alright, watch me. I go start. Me want to start.
Alright,
but me have a book where I write down everything, so I'm going to start.
Them the in guys.
Hey, guys, I want an epic. She just dead. You see how the shot teeth man out of the challenge them? She just
him and the teeth. Comment
she
down
just
below.
DEAD.
Dead. Alright guys, comment down below Team Ali because I know some of super loyal fans them they out there. I wanna don't know see me I go win this. So just comment Team Ali down below. I'ma see you now and I really appreciate you guys. Them good things. Check out the hairstyle, guys. Yeah guys. Ready
you want to look at drama going on YouTube. See? And you see through the one and have no slogan and no popular style that them use. So you see through the drama you go viral, you can use it against her. So right now, she's supposed to can tell me I wish YouTuber this.
Okay, no, him don't give me no hint or nothing.
First and foremost, she introduced me to this YouTuber, so I'm going to give her the hint. And she introduced me to them, so I'm going to go in like this. See? I love him.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I love him.
I don't know who is that. I don't know who is that. I need more clue.
More clue? Alright.
Yeah.
Girl, ease yourself. Move on. Wait. Never mean no good from morning.
And I didn't say all of that, guys. It's us. Yes. You might refer to us. But I never that ball and go on. So you're such a liar.
See, she catch all herself. I never ever we me talk about. Guys, and remember Abby and Alex.
Oh my God!
Remember that video there?
You're so rude!
Yes, and that video I refer to guys.
He's so rude, guys.
Alright,
shout out to you, Abby and Alex, who love you know watching the channel. Yeah, anyone there, big up on yourself. Alright, me have one for him now. You see, guys, if you not watch the video here, you not live no life on YouTube.
The one at EPIC.
Yeah. And guess
she
what?
Just DEAD.
I'm gonna know.
Right now, me MADDDD. Mad!
Guys, him love show off. He's a spelling bee champ. Look how him pull up my ear. get off. Alright guys, let us get into my person or YouTuber. Alright then. This was when him call a girl the B word and him get a box. Me not have to say no more.
That easy, O'Neil.
From
I think say I am
from
King and Shay.
Hey,
Oh!
let me demonstrate.
Yo,
Let me
dog.
demonstrate.
Guys,
Let me demonstrate.
the video the epic, guys. When you go over there and watch
I
the
need
video.
to demonstrate.
When you go
Come
over
now.
there and watch the video. Go over King and Shay and watch
Alright
the
guys,
video.
me
That one the
demonstrate.
epic.
Oh, she shot him
Guys,
the box.
it's
Come
epic.
Marie.
Demonstrate pan oh. Hey, your favorite poop.
Guys, comment
Yo,
down below if you
guys,
for me
we need to go over there.
demonstrate. Come no man.
Hey,
Come me say.
hey, a King&Ally and a King and Shay. Oh.
Alright guys, we not give. Come, your time.
Alright guys, watch your one here. No one here. Monumental.
Yeah
Watch
guys.
this.
I enjoy this. I'm having a lot of fun with this one.
We next!
Hey! What a boy then you Max.
We next!
Max, that's the Max Razor brother.
Hey, she get the one there, guys. She get the one there.
Hey.
That did easy. That did easy.
Make him go.
That is easy, yeah.
Alright then, me I go give him a hard one. Alright. Alright then, you see the couple here? Them a run off YouTube. You feel me? You see that man here? That man here, he come like say, him can't take prank, him just love ball. Everything him have to cry about.
You serious?
Everything him have to cry about. The least you could prank, big up yourself girl. You ever prank him and get him reaction good. Who me attack?
Image.
Hey!
Hey,
Image and
Image, you have to
Dolly.
stop bally, say no man. You have to stop bally, so. But me have a next epic one for your dog. Big up
Big
on
up on
yourself, Image and Dolly. Go and do it, it don't look good.
Yeah.
I like it. Bang, bang, boom!
I'm full of energy, so. And he never energy drink. Come. You see that, guys? I have my one them lock up here, so. And keep a score in the
Guys.
comment section down below.
Guys,
My teeth.
when you watch a one, the one that go viral again. The one that go viral.
Make us see that?
Go pink wall everywhere.
Alright then.
Seeing so, you must know.
Come.
And remember the video here, I don't know if you don't watch your channel still, but me a YouTuber, so I watch other YouTubers. Zine?
But
So,
before we became YouTubers,
we normally watch
we
them.
were a user
Yeah, we were fans.
audience.
Yeah. So guys, see, watch one. Him woman come in the room now, guys, and look upon him and say, them take down the channel. And
King
them
and
say,
Shay, guys. You can't use back King and Shay for me.
Guys.
That's King and Shay real.
Yo,
I
man,
know if you
yo.
do that.
Now you come to me cry. So I'm just give back a cry.
You see my teeth. We should have stayed that in
Thief
the
from
rule.
thief God laugh.
We should have stayed that in the rule, guys. As of now on, if the opponent choose the person, you cannot choose them again.
No, you're late.
No.
I know my fault.
Well, me done state it and you can't use no more.
Alright, your time.
Ready?
We look good together, don't guys? Check out my hair.
Ayya! Bang, bang, boom! Screenshot this, guys. Come and get them.
Push your baby. Aww. Push your baby. Did I do that?
Alright, guys. Never just get in a this. Them a YouTuber and them a dancer. I have three of them. I'm not going no further.
YouTuber dance and share them.
Yeah, I'm not going no further.
Guys.
You need to give me the name of the channel. This more from you, the name of the channel.
Guys. How she a try trick?
Come, make me see if you know.
Like she a tell me, I don't know about the 3 YouTuber there and them and a dancer. I don't know about them.
Answer.
3 YouTuber and them dance?
Yes. They're
Where them
YouTube.
come from? Where them come
Me
from?
not gain, me can't gain no more.
No,
clue.
just
You
like
have to
come.
know.
So a while ago when you asked
Guys.
me with Abby thing and Alex,
Guys,
give you clues.
no.
We give you clues. Yo.
Come on now. If me give him any more clue, he's gonna know.
They're
Me
unfair.
can't do.
They're
Alright.
unfair.
Them come
They're
from a
unfair.
popular thing on Sunday.
On
Me not
Sunday.
gain no more clue. And him a thief.
Oh, TC and pretty
What
and
what-
Spice.
Spice is not
You know
Spice.
Spice, TC, pretty, and the girl who tell us about that smash last night.
A TC you say with a smash.
Oh yeah, TC, pretty, and Rebel.
What is the name of their channel? I ask you for that specifically.
Kingston.
No, they are featured on Kingston Signal, guys, but that's not the name of their personal YouTube channel. What's the name of their channel?
TC, pretty.
No.
and Rebel. Oh, TCR.
No.
Or TRC.
No.
RCT.
No.
Yeah.
The name of the channel is PRTN. Yeah, guys.
So we are talking about guess the YouTuber and she got asked me about people channel. So me I show
They're
you.
YouTubers.
Go man, them a dancer.
You see how him a thief? You see because him get it wrong? Yes. So him say, him no like take losing, him for always win.
Alright guys, that one is epic. That one I go viral already again. It like all social media, every platform, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, it make the news, everything. Alright.
News?
Which YouTuber have a website or an app where you can download on your smartphone?
Gio and Ken.
TV.
Gio
No.
and Ken. Gio and Ken have a
You never
app.
wait till me done do what me I say. You can download on your smartphone and TV. You can watch them series. You can watch them pranks.
Chabas.
They don't say Gio and Ken.
But Gio and Ken.
They don't say Gio and Ken from morning. So I just say it
Guys.
out loud. I just say it out so the people them
No.
understand and know who me I talk about and who me I refer to. So guys when I buy who have the Roku TV them, you can download it guys and watch it. Support him guys. Get him to give him the support. Full support
guys,
And
comment down
when you
below.
can go over Chabas prank to guys. He have some epic prank over there. You know, the man just released one.
Yeah,
a while
remember the
ago,
prank?
guys.
Remember the prank when
Epic.
say,
Go
when
over
the
there.
little girl say, Uncle, what's something like that, and she a say, I remember, but I want.
You remember the long time one yeah? Send me back to Africa. I get more. I now going like.
But guys, they my thief. So comment down below if you forget that point because Gio and Ken also have a game, guys.
I mean I get half man. Go on.
Alright. That person he must know and a one clue alone me a game. That person known. If you not watch that prank here, you not live. That person is the first person I see on YouTube to do that prank here. I'm have to say when I watch the prank, I have to give you a rating. Yeah. This prank was the KFC prank. Acting like a KFC worker.
Yes sir.
No vow. Banana.
Yes sir.
Chip. Yeah. Chips boss you talk about rolling.
Alright, you see like how she go on there so. I wish YouTuber love say banana chips.
Him can't say but you hear me did say before him
Me
can't
write it down in my book. Me write it down in my book.
So you
Alright,
can't
you know what? It's a short teeth. Here, watch this. That one here. And somebody will talk and will correspond with them all the while. Isa!
Colin Smith. Hey.
Isa!
Yes, colors are you we are talk about. Alright then, my time enough for give him one. Alright then. I want to know how I put this to him so he can't get it because I realize he might get them, you know. He might catch up. Alright then. Here what. Listen up. This YouTuber, they recently got engaged. Oh. Many people I'm seeing now? This YouTuber recently got engaged with with them name. And two of them, some one of them channel separate.
Them channel separate?
Yeah, and two of them me I talk about and I want them channel separate. Two channel is supposed to give me.
Dolly body?
No. Not them me I talk and
D?
it's not Dolly body.
D?
No, not D. You see guys, you have a whole heap of people. Yeah man. That's
And then
why.
separate?
Them not separate.
What you say them do?
I say I want their channels separate. I want two answers. Yeah.
No man, I want and say you can get so you have to give me a clue. Me no
I
fool.
actually did meet that person here.
Oh. Ian Jabubarang.
And
Razor blade.
yeah guys.
Talk to me, eh?
Guys, you realize say when he
Alright, just like how she gone there,
no,
so.
let me
Believe now
talk. Let me
about-
talk to the people. Them guys, you realize say when him want clue, I give him the simplest and easiest set of clue them, but him can't do the same for me. Him a thief.
Guys,
He's a thief.
who loves this guys? Squad!
Razor, yeah, him always ask somebody same people.
Guys,
them.
me write down. No,
So-
guys, see that?
Me not care.
Watch, guys. Guys, you know watch.
You can't do that. I don't care if you write it down.
Squad. SQUAD.
Watch how him write bad handwriting. Comment down below if you wanna write bad like him.
No, that was a fast writing. So now what you writing?
Lies.
Me write pretty like me ear. But full of style and but full of style. Don't hug me. Go, you hypocrite.
The man chubs.
You're opportunist. Go. Hot. Burn up.
It's alright guys. That one when me and give him hard.
That you feel. What you want?
Hard.
It's like how you talk about
And my
hard.
time for go.
And my time.
Is you just give me raise and me for go?
Alright, go on.
You see my teeth? That YouTuber here, our birthday gone what year in April. Happy belated birthday to you, girl. I love the movement. I love what y'all do. Y'all make ends meet for your children them. With or without the husband by your side, y'all make ends meet. Me not give him no more clue after that kind of thief.
You try without those one by your side that make ends meet? Which YouTuber? Shawn, that girl Shauna.
Nope.
You have a breakup?
Listen to me, man. Listen to me. Me not give you no more clue. No more him not get kind there, so a thief me and expect say him to win.
Alright, me no know.
The official.
Oh.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, you.
Alright, it's like how you're full of chat.
Alright then.
That one is easy. I'm gonna give you no clue for this.
Him a thief. You have to give one
Yeah.
clue.
Yes. Good girl there. Yeah, the good girl there.
Who is that?
And me say people need to go on page, I want to subscribe and share and like it up. Yeah Guys, the good girl there.
Who is that? Give me one more clue. One more clue.
The good girl there.
Abby Madness. Hey! Ayo! Yeah, Abby.
Yeah, good girl. Yeah, good girl. The
You
good
dirty
girl.
white cap.
Yeah, good girl. Yeah, good girl there.
My
The good
time.
girl there.
My time for give him one. Alright, then I will have 2 more to go. Right, guys? Alright, this YouTuber they recently got their plaque. Come. They recently got their plaque. Come.
Yeah, from where there, be a YouTuber get them plaque. You have Nicky and Klein.
Me
Yeah,
one
Image
more.
and Dolly.
One.
See?
And Image and Dolly me attack.
Nicky and Klein, man.
Yeah. Them me
and
attack. Yeah, Nicky and Klein me attack, and I must say, well done guys, you've come a long way. I love how you have progress, and I keep it real. And Chrissy and Rosa, well done as well. Image and Dolly, well done.
Go and put in the work, youth.
Yeah.
Go and put in the work, girls. Bang, bang, boom!
What? I'm excited and happy today. Alright guys, I feel time. Your time.
NK gang.
Nikki and Jelani.
Frost man, Nicky and Klein. They see that she dead a while ago.
Him can't
Dead in her shows. She dead in her show.
Me not play. Me
She
done.
dead in
Me
her
not
show.
playing no more, guys. I
She
am
dead
so
in her
finished.
show.
Me not playing anymore because me specifically say you can't
NK
give me.
gang.
You can't give me the same people that me give you back.
People.
Me don't care if
See
you
that?
write it down. I'm done.
See
Me
that?
not playing
People,
anymore.
you see it? You can read though. See that?
Me not playing because you're a
NK
thief.
gang.
You're a thief. Me not play, guys. Me finished. So this is the
Alright,
last
I'm
one.
gonna change. I'm change that one day. I'm gonna change that one day.
Last one.
I'm gonna change that one day. See? I'm
Cause
gonna change
you're
that one day.
thief.
I'm not about that NK gang. Stay sassy, people.
Trish say, yeah girl, me love how ya, you know, get back on track and a smile, girl. Me can tell you, I know what it is like, so just big up yourself, keep praying, and if you have to cry, cry, but get back up, you understand? Get back up on your feet.
Your time.
You're strong, you
Your
can do
time.
this.
Your time.
This is the last one, guys, because I'm a
No,
thief,
have the
I'm done with
me
it.
and me have the bonus. Me have
I
the
don't
bonus.
care.
Me
This
have the
is what
bonus.
I said, this is the
when
last
you,
one.
no, after me. It's after me. When after you,
Alright
I'm the
guys,
last
so this
person.
is the bonus
I'm the
round.
last
And
one
me will
after
give him
you.
the bonus one because he's a thief. I'm just one done with that game because he's a thief. Him always a thief. The challenge them, you know.
Thief from thief,
Alright,
God laugh.
I never thief no challenge.
Come on, your arm poop up. Your arm poop up.
Look for me guys. Me not play with him. Me not playing with him. Alright guys. Me not give him no wall heap. And me gonna just give him this. Me gonna just give him this, guys. Me gonna just give him this. Welcome to the channel. Who is that? Who is that?
Yo, me know who you know, but I can't remember who you know. But me know who. Yo, my girl. Yep, me know you're who. So here what
You
you
have
have
to
to
give
do.
me the channel name.
Here what you have to do. You have to subscribe to the channel, yeah? Like, share. And share all the video. Them, not them epic. Them EPIC.
No,
Them monumental.
No.
You know what I said,
You
guys?
need to give me the name of the channel or the name of the person.
Oh.
What our name start with?
P.
No. No. But can't believe.
Petty.
No.
Petite Sue.
No.
Petite Sue.
No, it's not Petite Sue. Girl, me and him actually watch out your video them. So I don't know how him not remember you. It's not Petite Sue. Where
Right.
our name start with?
Rochelle.
No.
Well,
No.
say the intro again. Say it again.
Welcome to the channel. Who is that? Who is that?
Leave me alone.
Guys, yes. Shads ends. Yeah, girl, are you? Yes, Shade, are you?
Yo, leave me alone. You mix up.
Him a loser. That him no like. Him
Yeah,
alone.
mix up. Anyway, it's my turn.
And if we get that one here right, I won.
Yeah,
Team
you
Ali
that.
down below.
Yeah, here that I have the bonus question.
And the bonus what me not play. Guys,
question,
if me win this, me not play no more with him because me win and him a thief me. I'm serious, me done with it after this. So come. Done with him because him a thief me, my thief. Come on, let's go.
I'm sure I find it right.
Yeah, guys, keep the vibe real. I love the support when I get from you guys. I must say I really appreciate it. So just keep the love coming, guys.
Guys, so she full of chat. I'm gonna lick her chip like a hey. I'm gonna get in her head like a migraine. I'm gonna bust her head like a gunshot. But I'm gonna sing in her head like it's like a headset. Right now, watch her now. I don't want an epic. I want an EP. I see.
Let us see.
Alright, so she full attack. Which YouTuber artist and love sing and love going with her madness and got all about and she does full of vibes. I'm gonna give her no more clue.
You have to give me one more clue. You have to give me one more. You have to give me one more. The name of our Curried. I mean, you think that one for Curried.
I mean, you
Double tap, me say me a double tap. And I wonder if I really queen that. Double tap, me say me a double tap. Team Ali in the comment section. Come on, win.
Girl,
I'm
can you not
thief. No.
all she attack. I mean, you lead.
No.
Queenie. Do we? Hey, Queenie, you do we? You can breathe. All she attack. I mean, you lead.
No, I me win.
Double tap. Me say
win.
me a double tap.
Guys,
Double tap.
me win him. Me win. Yeah? Team Ali down below. Yeah, me know.
Watch this now, guys.
But they telling you from the start.
Guys, she WIN, I WON.
Me win, yeah? Me win.
Guys,
My thief.
she WIN, I WON. Check
Nope.
it out. Guys,
No.
check out my hair.
Yeah.
Check out my eyes.
You just
Check out my ear. Hey, bang, boom.
We're out.